Susan from Woodstock, Georgia, has questions about chirping noises in the wall.
They're coming from her pipes, Tom. Susan writes, I hear them in the wall behind my master bath toilet when my washing machine or dishwasher downstairs are draining. A plumber said the regulating valve by my hot water heater needed to be replaced. And this took the water pressure, she says, down from 89 to 55. These 3 days later, she says, the noise is back again. So, Tom, any suggestions on what's causing this, what she can do?
What I would do is this, just to rule out the toilet, because it could be the toilet, the pressures are changing, and the toilet's starting to chirp, make the pipes resonate a little bit because it wants to turn on.
Oh, it's at the toilet end of the problem.
That's what I would do. So to rule it out, I would close the stop behind the toilet. You know, you have a little valve behind every toilet where you can shut the water off to it. And if you shut that off, and I suspect it's going to stop, then you know it's the filler valve in the toilet. And even though you had to reduce your water pressure, which you had to, 89 is too high. You can blow pipes and stuff with that. So you want it down around 60, so that's a good thing. But as far as that goes, I really suspect you might have a problem with your filler valve in your toilet.
89 is high? 55? Yeah. Is about what I was
60 is about what is really perfect. You go to San Antonio, they have 120.
I've remembered, yeah.
And
we used to get complaints from listeners in San Antonio about that all the time.
So they have to people think, oh, no, more is better. Well, what I always say, not tequila. More is not better with everything, especially with pressure in your pipes.
Let's see, tequila, taxes, what else?
There you go. Taxes is a good one, too.
You got a question? Go ahead and send it to us. Use the Ask Tom form. You'll find it at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like this video here or these videos over yonder. Hey, subscribe to our channel. Click that bell. We'll ring yours when we post a new one.